This is where we're going here, to Running Eagle Falls here. So it's early morning, July 22nd, 2021. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. A little chilly, a little windy this morning here, so we're going to head on down here. All right, early morning, short hike to a waterfall. It's a nice little path here today, very green, and nobody else around. We're the only ones here. So it's only going to be a short walk. I keep my eyes open for berries in here, but none that are ripe that I can see, but lots of green there anyhow. Well, a little bridge here with a rope to hold on to, and the falls are up there. And we're going to try to get a little closer look. Come down here, outside, work our way up here. Alright, now we're getting a little closer to the falls here. Gotta watch my step as we're coming down here. And there's the falls up there. And I think we can still get a little bit closer here. So we're going to continue on this path here. Up here. You hear those falls over there. We're getting closer. We're going to be looking down on them here probably. As I said, July 21st, 2021, Glacier National Park, Montana. Oh, here's a little viewing platform. Excellent. Excellent. Oh, good view up here. Okay. There we go. There's the falls. Very nice. Looks like the water's coming like from behind there. I think you can see right in there. Early morning, a little bit out of breath from walking up here, but looking back down to the other side, and we were up here. It was windy this morning, quite windy. Temperature's not too bad. If you're out in the wind, get a little wind chill here. I got a sweatshirt on, so yeah. But other than that, looking good. Good falls. This is, well, I had the title there earlier in this. That's okay.
No, you just make sure that it's on live when you do it.
The sun's coming up a little bit more, so there's a little more sun. I think it looked better earlier when it was maybe in the shade. It's a little too bright over there now. But he said early in the season, when you get the snow melt off the glaciers, the water actually comes over the top up here and comes all the way down. But now, since this is July, it's only coming from behind there, coming through an opening in the rocks on the bottom section here. So a little bit different. But nice blue sky this morning. Don't see too much smoke, and it looks very good up there. And come around here, and there's the rest of it down here where the water goes, all down here. Alright, we're all here this morning, and this is the group of intrepid people that all came out this morning to see the falls here. And the falls are in back of us here. So not everybody made it, but we made it. We had snacks and coffee and everything, and everybody's going to give a little wave there.
You know what's wonderful?
We got everybody in there. Okay, great. Thank you. We're going back to the vans. We're coming back. We're going to cross this bridge again. I'd like to cross the bridge to a new life maybe here, but and I'm officially changing my name to Edward Getley Galactica. I like that. There we go. There's the bridge, the morning here, morning light. Nice water down there. Very nice and clear. Alright. No animals this morning though. Oh well. Take our last look at the waterfall as we come up here in the wind. The waterfall is going to be off to our right up here. It's breezy this morning. I don't have my wind cover on here. I keep forgetting it. There's Shadow Man. Shadow Man is having a good time this morning here. Okay. This is Running Eagle Falls. That's the falls we just saw. Good falls too. Running Eagle. There's the story of it. Stop the vid if you want to take a gander at that. All right. Getting back on the trail here.